Hello friends, good morning. My name is Shubham Gudiwal and my today topic is constructor. A Java constructor is a special method that is called when an object is initiated. In other words, when you use the new keyword, the purpose of a Java constructor is to initialize the newly created object before it is used. These Java constructors tutorial will explore Java constructor in more details. Here is a simple example that create an object which result in the class constructor beginning called my class obj equals to new my class. This example result in a new class object beginning class create and the no no argument constructor of my class to be called. You will learn what the no argument constructor in later. A Java class constructor initializes instance objects of that classes. Typically, the constructor initializes the field of object that need initializations. Java constructors can also take parameters so field can be initialized in the object and creation time. Define constructor in Java. Here is a simple constructor declaration example. The example show very simple Java class with single constructor. Public class my class, public my class. The example. This is first part of Java constructor declaration. Is an access modifier. The access modifier have the same meanings as for methods and field. They determine the what classes can access. Call the constructor access modifier are covered in more details in my Java access modifier tutorial. The second part of Java constructor declaration is the name of the class the constructor belong to using the class name for the constructor single to the Java compiler that this is a constructor. Also notice that the constructor has no return type like other methods have. The third part of a Java constructor declaration is a list of parameters. The constructor can take the constructor parameters or declaration inside the parentheses after the class name part of the constructor. In the constructor declaration example above, number parameters are declared will show an example of an object constructor. Java constructor declaration with parameter later in this text. The fourth part of Java constructor declaration is the body of the constructor. In the body of the constructor defined inside the circle brackets circle brackets after the parameter list. In the constructor example above, the constructor has no options inside the constructor body. It said to be an empty constructor. Constructor overloading multiple constructor for a Java classes. Okay, a class can have multiple constructor as long as their signature. The parameters they take are not the same. You can define as many constructors as you need. When a Java classes contains multiple constructor, we say that the constructor is overloaded. Comes in multiple versions. This is what constructor overloading means. Uh, that Java classes contains multiple constructors. Here in Java constructor overloading, and The Java class above contains two constructors. The first constructor is a no argument constructor, meaning it takes no parameter, no arguments. The second constructor takes int parameter in the constructor. Body the int parameter value is assigned to a field, meaning the value of other parameter is copied into the field. The other field is thus initialized to the given parameter value. The keyword this on a font of the field name. This dot number is not necessary. It just signals to the compiler that is the field name number that is beginning referred to. This is explained in more details in the section about constructor parameters. Default no argument constructor. Okay, you don't have to define constructor for a class, but if you don't find in defined any constructor, the Java compiler will insert a default no argument constructor of you. Thus once the class is compiled, it will always at least have no argument constructor. If you do define a constructor for you classes, then the Java compiler will not insert the default no argument constructor into your class. Say constructor parameters. As you have already seen, it is possible for a Java constructor to take parameters. These parameters can then be used to initialize the internal state field of the newly created object. In Java constructor declaration is marked in bold. As you can see, three parameters are declared: first, last, and year. First, last, and year. Inside the body of the constructor, the value of these three parameters are assigned to the field of the employee object. The line break after each parameters are optional. The Java compiler ignores line breakers here. You can also write the parameter declaration in a single line if you want, like this. To call this constructor, just take three parameters you hold instance and employee object, like this. Employee equals to new employee Jack, define Danish, okay, 2000. These parameters are passed to the constructor inside the parameter after the class name on the right side of the equal sign. The object is then created and the constructor executed. After executions of the above constructor, the field initialized by the constructor will have the value of the parameters passed out to the constructor. A Java constructor parameter can have the same name as a field. If a constructor parameters has the same name as field, the Java compiler has problems knowing which you refer to by default. If a parameter or local variable has the same name as a field in the same class, the parameter or local variable shadows for the field look at the constructor example. Okay. Inside the constructor of the employee class, first name, last name, and birthday year, infant year now refer to the constructor parameter, not to the employee field with the parameters not employee with the same names. Okay, thus the constructor now just set the parameter equal themes place. The employee field are never initialized. Okay, okay friends, bye, thank you.